Ngalikwe mwe ya mundu igwebio wese kwitha mundu wa neki na sende kinyeju mundu ngalikwe mwe ni active ile ngiti active uli wana soma makana pe mwiki banitegemea mwiki ba ngatika uongo wa mutwe kwa mundu bala wa basukela
iyo balukete
kada wa basukela ngalikwe yakoko kwa ume definitely koko kwa ume kwa ndenga kwa sorry
it was opposite
ya basukela koko kwa ume ngalikwe yakoko kwa ne kwa
exactly
ya basukela koko kwa aka koko kwa ume ni koko
exactly. Yeah. Pepano sino ipitokane yao.
Pesa ngaino wa ajabu. Yata. Okay, mwezi kisa na bongo iye kulo ya kutuma kwa namba itu SMS ile ile kenda ile 5. Ukendele show inu ithele na ukulile kulo ya kunundu undone wapata monopio. Ninake Dr. Mutuma. Na inde mwezi kisa lili kana inde wende na odha ukithia mbesa sia kunundu ni kunenga value. Dr. Mutuma hii. Peki nuketa wani ischemic stroke.
Yeah.
Na itani hata na hypertensive stroke.
Ischemic stroke ni ischemia ni landa kamelalo kabano. Ischemia ni landa kamelalo kabano. Na elamu ikiwa pale ka uisaidhi apa yambe we try and takame.
Dina
bikamu. That's called ischemic stroke. It's the same. It's all strokes are ischemic. No, ila whether na deny the brain, which either the brain does not get that's ischemia. In the ischemia, necrosis, they are all the same. Which either bandune bambe ya poa in the brain. No, payo kwata ndakamenyaniti. The ischemic stroke is the same. Na no na ischemic heart disease. Ila kamweke baka kango kabingwa ni cholesterol. We say that go the ischemic heart disease. Now ischemic heart disease is an heart attack, which is different from stroke.
Oh.
Yes.
Now heart attack and ngiti
heart attack is different from stroke.
Ngiti attack ya mundu mwiona
stroke na attack that stroke.
Ni muna maana inakana.
They're related. Not because they are death immediately. Now you talk to me when somebody dies, ina mundu wa mina kuitwa immediately. There are two causes. Either a stroke kanani heart attack. Peka kita matwake ro pulmonary embolism, like that's not very common. Kwa ume na kwa about 50 years. Unamuno ischemic heart attack or it is a stroke in the brain. And that they are all the same.
First symptom mwe kana dalili mwe theta wa agina like chest pain.
Yeah.
Isu mundu etha ariwata nitani ata
ajaina isu
ani ajaina kana ni agina
ni ajaina
isi anwati tutasikithio mojana kitali no meta agina kana ni ajaina
ajaina ni left sided pain, left chest pain. Kwithwa kwa wo ngoko kwa ka kiruine na wo usu uyambata kituone chako kwa exactly. Those are the first signs of heart attack. First signs of heart attack. Ilo kwa kitu chako ina wo kale la koko kwa ka. Na sai ukisema na wo uyuka na widhi na uyambata kituone chako kwa ka na sai ukiwa kwa deana koko kome na sai uyambata ngambuni. That's angina is a predisposing factor, prerequisite the heart attack. Yes. Now talk to me. Most men have got that problem. Now talk to me. If a man has got that problem, no, so akatima akamandika out the cholesterol.
Nadi mawada.
Today the cholesterol nila waya nama. Waya nama isu. Tomorrow tutu nama tuenda tukapinga tumiki batula tuango tuitawa coronary arteries. Na nila tumiki batutu ango tuapingwa ni what is the ango iyo kwa tandakame. Na leo tuwata kwa tandakame ituana ischemic heart disease. Na ischemic heart disease niyo ilidia to heart attack. They talk to me and ringi they just drop down immediately. Na vyambe kwa zani mingi akamba vyambe kwa zani wo yini majini ni chao mbona ya mrane zizikali ni unakitia kwa wao nego sumu. It's just heart attack very 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 fast. Now we know as doctors, especially me as a pathologist, because that's what I do. Matuku maingi ila mundu weetwa na matuku maingi mundu unoka kama wiyo na ya muka ile kwa muka because of heart attack.
We the attack.
Yeah, you get the attack kana because of the stroke. Na talk to me ando imedho ana wasiwasi na ando ingi ila mundu wami na kwetu ando mona anakite kunengwa sumu ni mundu na inake. muno kibeti kana mwana mundo yambe utinamana na hicho kitimi ila kinucheka kama mudembosu nenda neka postmortem kamonya na ngemailesya. This is what happened because it's known. Kinchambe ni kana heart attack was not there in Kenya. Like ngi train was a doctor.
So the umiaba.
No get heart attack it was not there in Kenya. When I was trained as a doctor, there on an African with heart attack. Heart attack and ila do train in Australia. Is when heart attacks are very common in Australia.
Oh no, Australia.
Yeah, it's very common. I understand. Around in this is it was I when I trained in Australia, there were so many cancers and diabetes and hypertension are so common. Now diseases heart attack you come muno with high cholesterol. High cholesterol you can ilo kwa nama mingi muno. Na undu matukwa dia nama. Pakubikila le unu we na nama. The red meat is the risk factor number 1. Na meda tensio kwa cholesterol ni nama ambui muno ila mbibia. Njokti muno kamba kuti matukwa tina a lot of heart attacks, then a lot of problem nundo high cholesterol because we need the na maisu na dia chapati na dia remember chapati kidwana mauta maingi muno nundu kikangi ta mauta na dia chips ni mauta, and because of that it was said that in high levels of cholesterol. Now, like high levels of cholesterol kwa ome, na muno tuana ome muno dino wakamba tuana muno ome between from 25 years. The ome from that time na wa cholesterol is very high. Na hicho kitu it's good to be checked cholesterol as a man all the time. Na biko mini with wina cholesterol endo we monene. In fact, cholesterol is kwa wingi kwa ndola sleep alama tanene. Ndola nene remember cholesterol ni mauta na cholesterol ni mauta alama ndini wa
kwa ni mwana na bagwene mauta.
Motala manza muno ni motala menza wa mwikibani. Cholesterol ni motala mwikibani those are more dangerous. Motala menza. Alama mwikibani ni manda makeke athingia deni wa tumika watutu angoda muda kitwa na agina kana ischemic heart disease. Yes.
Current rate hypertensive stroke in Kenya Vikita
is quite high. We don't know how much it is now. Lakini the those are from the rate the hypertension. Nasal hypertension is almost like between 15 and 25% in all the populations in adult men. 15 to 25%, and depending umetaba. Like in Kibera, we know that is 20%. And some areas like in rural areas around 15%. And to me, the hypertension is quite very common. Now, the question is, and while men hypertension, nama and could develop to the stroke. Most people who have got hypertension, they normally go ahead and develop hypertensive stroke.
Okay. Na indi daktari.
Yeah.
Excuse me. Tutona kuika hata indi tando. Palatu toma.
Oh yes. That's very important. Prevention of high blood pressure.
Yes.
Kinu chambe ola kwa muno. Ola kwa muno. Ando ingi kwa manenga leo. Kinu chambe. Ela kemikiro chambe mundu ozale ambe ya kwikia mundu ona atasamete. That's very risky. Mundu dwale kuongela lolo na wele kuyamka mundu kanini weze yakala kena musamuna ndwenga maiza iso kana lewe na mundu mwingi muno na hizo kutimba hypertension is very common. Kingi ni kulia kuwa na mazoezi kana kuwa na exercise. We need to do the exercise like in increase of weight. With increase of weight, I normally take 70 kilograms to be standard. When we're above 70 kilograms is a problem. Your weight. Now remember, weight near the high blood pressure. And it's very important. Okay, say that at least in work exercise what use mono and what reduce your weight. Apart from that, pace in relaying while quicker na okela kindu ni na weche kimana muno kila kindu ni kwenda andu mama ne muno na maikatumia kila takini ya wandi kiluma very important. It reduces the blood pressure. It's normally very good in reducing the blood pressure. Of course, pay other natural products we give people so their blood pressure comes in the okande muno mundu ena blood pressure tienda kumwea na tumia ndawa za blood pressure straight. Nundu waambia kuitumia nduonga masia. na nacho kumitenda fast uka reduce mono no yaka exercise will reduce weight. Those three can lower the blood pressure by themselves. Blood pressure it comes to normal. Na ndi no clacking in to the natural products ila itena any effect on your body. Remember kana wa mina kudhan high blood pressure wa mbe menda waza high blood pressure ni udwana madina nundu nda wesino isi ndathi nonge whether mundu ne udhana ndathi nonge utana enda gwo nundu watu meindawa na waitumia muno ni create another problem, another complications to the side effects. Na the side effects of the high blood pressure drugs kana antihypertensives, they are so common. They are so common and there are so many. We try as much as possible to the munduzo control the blood pressure in the natural way, which is much a bit easier. Food supplements, the exercise, the reduction of weight. And you know the food supplements are normally very good. They do very good work in reduction of the blood pressure.
Wow. Yeah. Okay, mwezi kisiende, yakatambe kukilangithi, yakune karangu kuolile makulio maku, na ndio kuolile makulio maku